Today we are going to discuss about 8085 microprocessor. So this is the kit that is used in the labs to run microprocessor programs. When the switch is first put on, you see a display here. So this is which shows that your power supply is coming correctly. This is our keyboard, the hexadecimal keyboard that we are going to use, and the various ICs, and here you have 8085 IC. So today we are going to try to run a program of addition of two 8-bit numbers using immediate addressing. So we will run that program, we will enter that program using the hex codes and starting from the address location 2000. So what we will do, first we have to reset just in case there is something left over. You have to use this button, this is examine memory, and then the starting address from where we have to start running the program. So this is 2000, and now then we will press next so that we are able to reach this position. Now we are able to enter the hexadecimal codes. So first code is MVI-A, which is 3E. Then again we will press next, so automatically it goes to the next memory address. Now we can enter our data. So we are going to transfer first data. I am taking a simple number, let it be 03. Then again next, so it goes to the next memory location. Now we will do MVI-B, code for that is 06. Then next, and now we have to enter the data for B, so let it be 05. Then again next, now we will move data from A to C so that the data is not lost after the addition. For that the command is 4F. Next, now we do add B. Now we are going to add the two numbers in A and B, and the command for that is 80. Then we will move the data from, the result is now in his accumulator. Now we will move the data to register D57, and then the last command of halt 76. So now we have entered the whole program. Now we have to run it. So again we do reset, we do go starting address of your program from where your program has started, and then execute. Now your program has executed. Now the results are available in the various registers. So for that we are going to reset, then we do shift and then examine register. Now we will see register B, it has one data. Then next, see the other number that need to be added. D has the result. Let me check, something is wrong, maybe register D did not work well. So we can go back and check our program again with examine memory, and next, so that some error has not happened. There was an error in the program. So after checking the program, we can again check the program if everything is okay. Examine memory, next 3E, then next first data, then next 06, next data 4F, then 80, then 57, then 76. Okay, now we again run. So reset. Now our program is executed. Let us see the result. Register B, the first data. You can see the result. So B has the first data number. Then next, C shows the second data. Then the addition is 08, which had been moved to register D. So we see this is how we run any program on a microprocessor kit. And here we have seen addition of two 8-bit numbers using immediate addressing.